the sneeze baby girl. That face.
I feel like should I rub?
Oh, my poor baby. You okay?
You need a rub.
Oh, what's happening?
Huskies
Oh, she's not crooked anymore.
I'm over here now.
Oh, okay. See ya. Oh, sorry.
Love you.
Love you. Thanks for
Thanks
for doing all the stuff with us. Oh.
Oh, she was doing the face.
It's slightly crooked still.
But.
Does she have an
Mom
allergy?
Jack also said hi. to
Okay,
guys.
tell them to say hi. I love you.
Oh my god. Oh
Oh,
my god.
I feel bad. Is she okay?
Okay.
Is she actually
Oh
Just
my.
leave the stuff here for next week.
Oh,
Wait, is she okay?
Yeah.
Is she actually okay though?
My poor baby. You okay? Oh my god. You poor
I'll hold
baby.
your hand.
Oh,
Aw.
that face.
Look at your face. You're so cute.
Aww.
You little lady.